Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another vloggy vlog. My name is NYC Scrambler. I live in Queens. Whoa. Oh sure, there he is. That is NYC Scrambler right there. Of course. Just trying to impersonate you. Look at his cute little Yamaha. Look at his fucking spoon and coffee mug strapped to his bike. What a nerd. What a terrible nerd. So we are 3.9 miles away from our cabin that we rented on Airbnb, because normally we go camping, we got our camping gear and shit, but today we decided to be lazy, or no, adventurous of a different way, and we rented this badass cabin right next to a river, on a river, private land, supposedly on like 100 private acres, no neighbors in earshot or eye shot, and there's a creek right next to it, so hopefully I'm gonna go for a dip, but we'll see. We got a fire pit, we got a grill, we're gonna drop off our shit right now and go get some steaks and sausages and beer, and then we're just gonna fucking hoe down. We're gonna just burn wood all night, and yeah, burn more than wood. Burn everything. We went to Massachusetts to get some treats. Oh yeah. But enough about that. Bah, who cares? Nobody cares about the treats. Yeah, but you know. And yeah, we left the city at like 7 a.m. and now it's about 1:30. So we're chilling. Took our sweet time, did some pit stops, had some delicious McDonald's. You know, that was actually not delicious, but at least my stomach, for a second my stomach started hurting for like 5 minutes, but then it stopped. And now we're less than 3 miles from the destination, following a fucking cube of all things. Oh good, he's turning off. Oh, that's where we're going. Fucking cock smoking. Oh my god, there's a beautiful lake to the right, actually. Interesting. Alright, well, let's pass this guy. Go ahead. When you get a chance, just go for it. What was that guy, like, was like reaching out to us or something? I'm not sure what that was. In half a mile we take a right. No, not left, Jay, right. Now it's on camera. That's the third time today. Whoa, some serious turns, huh? Oh, look at that hike over there. Alright, 0.2 miles, take a right onto High Hill Road. Probably that right there. Yep, that's the road. So far so good. 1.7 miles to go. So in 0.3 miles we'll take a left to Center Road. That's a nice little house. Very Dutch of them. So yeah, this house we rented, this cabin we rented is not cheap. It's actually quite a few dollars, but we'll see. We'll see if it's worth money, but I'm pretty sure it will be. We just get to chill. Yeah, just keep going left here. Just stay to the left here. Yep, left. Sweet. And now we're gonna take a right at the fork. The best part is I brought my iPad with me, so with any luck, we're gonna watch some MotoGP after we set up here. But I don't know if we're gonna be that lucky. All right, so in 1 mile, we're gonna reach our address. It's gonna be, I can't tell if it's on the right or on the left, but it's right off of this road. Watch it be a hoax. Watch there be no cabin. That guy just took our money and ran. Dear Airbnb, I think we got duped. Yeah, we go there once every 2 months or so. Yeah, because this place doesn't exist. Go there once every never. $733 Podic Road. Half a mile. Oh, cute little bridge. Scaring little puppy dog. Sorry, dog. Didn't mean to scare you there, bro. Hey. Supposedly, it's gonna be on the left. 733. Where? Okay. I have no idea. Maybe. Let's go take a look. Because I might have to read the directions, you know? Does it look like a driveway? That's a cute little bike. Can I ask you a question? I'm looking for 733.
Yeah, but this is not Airbnb.
No.
Airbnb back there.
So you gotta go that way.
I don't know exactly where it is, but it's back there.
Okay, no, yeah. Okay.
On it, I don't go back there, but on a tree somewhere there's an arrow
Okay.
pointing towards it. It says Airbnb.
Cool. But it's on this road here, right?
Back that way. I think it's about a mile.
Okay, that's perfect.
That's what I heard.
Yep. That's exactly it. Thank you.
Careful, the roads over there suck. They're very bad.
Yeah, no, we might just walk. We'll see. All right. Thank you. I was hoping he would go ahead. Let's take a look.